Hello everyone and welcome to Driver's Therapy. Today we're going to be cleaning the brake calipers on our Acura NSX. And if you take a look at the brake caliper on the NSX, it's really neat because it has NSX inscribed on it. And I think originally it was like a bronze gold color and now it's just dirty. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I bought this power scrubber. Looks like a big electric toothbrush. And some degreaser. It's leaking and kind of getting my eyes a little irritated. And what we're going to be doing is after we clean it, we're going to prep it and we're going to ceramic coat it. I also thought about painting the NSX or asking Elise to paint the NSX letters, but I thought that just wouldn't look that cool. So we're going to leave it alone and we're going to make it look a lot better than it does now. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're ready to go. We are set up. And what I'm doing is I'm spraying some of this degreaser in here. And I'm simply gonna kind of coat the brush with it. I got eye protection, I got some gloves. I'm gonna give this a shot. And remember, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I'm just trying stuff. All right, first of all, a little messy. Kind of spraying everywhere, but. And I know that they have that new like ice stuff, but those ice machines are like hella expensive. All right, we're gonna stop there. All right, my impression with this scrubber, first off, is that it flings a lot. Well, maybe I put a lot of this degreaser on here, but it flings a lot. I'm not a fan of that, because it smells. All right, let me see. Let me try to. Let's see. So this power scrubber isn't really working out. One, it's spraying like this chemical degreaser everywhere, and I really don't think it's doing the job that we need to. So we're gonna be changing over to our classic, like a medium bristle toothbrush and seeing if that works. Ain't nothing like a good old-fashioned toothbrush cleaning. But I guess now we're just really testing out this degreaser on the caliper. And what we want to do is we want to really stay away from some of this getting inside, you know, the pad area, because we don't want to accidentally, you know, remove the grease from our brake components. Let's see how this is doing. I mean, I don't think anyone's ever cleaned this brake caliper ever. But I'm almost wondering if some of the blackness, now that I look at it, I'm almost thinking that yes, we're cleaning it, but some of the blackness in here isn't dirt. It's actually like this bronze or goldish plating or powder coating or coating on it is simply, I guess, over age has kind of deteriorated a little bit, and what now we're seeing is kind of like the blackness of the actual caliper itself. I'll continue cleaning, but that is something good to look at because I think really there's only so much cleaning you could do to this. Okay, so we have a conclusion. So I spent about 10-15 minutes with the actual toothbrush cleaning it, and this is it. I think my assessment is right. Because of the age of the car, the original color of the caliper has just slowly aged, and this is pretty much about it after you clean it. The only thing you could pretty much do at this point is remove the caliper, disassemble it, and have it repainted. They make kits for that specifically for the brake caliper to withstand the heat, and it's a special paint and blah blah blah. But essentially this was good to know. I thought that it was just dirty and that we could just bring it back, But even after cleaning it, this is kind of what's left of the color of the caliper. If I wanted to go back and get it to be super nice, I'd have to repaint it. Well guys, I hope this video helps somebody out and helps them know that most likely if they want to bring back their calipers, they're going to have to paint it. But it was some good research, and I'm happy to learn about that and go from there. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for tagging along. We appreciate it. You guys take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.